Hello friends, welcome to Daily PT Pointers in which we will discuss the important headlines of the day for October 30th. Our first topic is related to exercise Kazint 2023. ये टॉपिक प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो पर आया था एंड GS3 डिफेंस सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. सो द इंडियन आर्मी एंड इंडियन एयरफोर्स कॉन्टिजेंट डिपार्ट्स फॉर इंडिया कजाकिस्तान जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज काजिंट 2023. The exercise will be conducted at Otar, Kazakhstan from 30th October to 11th November 2023. The joint training will develop the necessary skills, resilience and coordination to conduct joint military operations in semi-urban and urban environments. अगर हम कजाकिस्तान के geographical features की बात करें तो it is a landlocked country and it borders Russia to the north and west, China to the east, Kyrgyzstan to the southeast, Uzbekistan to the south and Turkmenistan to the southwest with a coastline along the Caspian Sea. और अस्ताना इसकी कैपिटल है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा अर्बन मोबिलिटी इंडिया से रिलेटेड. ये टॉपिक प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो पर आया था और GS3 इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए रेलिवेंट है. So recently 16th Urban Mobility India Conference and Exhibition 2023 concluded. It was organized by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs through the Institute of Urban Transport India and with the support of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited in New Delhi. This brought together leaders, experts and stakeholders from across the globe to discuss and collaborate on the future of urban transportation. Awards for excellence, बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस प्रोजेक्ट्स इन अर्बन ट्रांसपोर्ट वर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक स्पीकर्स से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और GS2 इंडियन पॉलिटी सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. एज द प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर of Lok Sabha at the center and the Legislative Assembly in the states, the Speaker is required to act in an impartial manner. Speaker से related provisions की बात कर लेते हैं. Under the Indian Constitution, the Lok Sabha and Legislative Assemblies elect two of its members to be the Speaker and Deputy Speaker respectively. Apart from the traditional roles with respect to conduct of business, the Speaker performs two important functions, which are certifying a bill to be a money bill, over which the Rajya Sabha or the Legislative Council have a limited role, and the other function is deciding on disqualification under the 10th schedule for defection. The Lok Sabha and Legislative Assembly rules provide for suspension of members for misconduct in the House. It has been noticed that the speakers and the houses misuse these provisions more often than not against the opposition members. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विजन इंडिया 2047 डॉक्यूमेंट से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और GS3 इकोनॉमी सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. सो द नीति आयोग is in the midst of finalizing a national vision plan to make India a developed nation by 2047. The document includes an outline of reforms and outcomes to be achieved by 2030, structural changes in governance that will be critical to make India a $30 trillion economy by 2047 with a per capita income of $18,000 to $20,000. It will also ensure that the country does not slip into a middle income trap that several countries have fallen into at सिमिलर स्टेजेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक कार्बन एमिशन से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में आया था और GS3 इन्वायरमेंट सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. रिसेंटली अ स्टडी वाज पब्लिश्ड बाय द काउंसिल फॉर एनर्जी इन्वायरमेंट एंड वाटर, अ दिल्ली बेस्ड think tank, and according to the study, developed countries responsible for 3/4 of existing carbon emissions in the atmosphere will end up emitting 38% more carbon in 2030 than they have committed to. In fact, 83% of this overshoot will be caused by United States, रशिया एंड द यूरोपियन यूनियन. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दिल्ली एयर पॉल्यूशन से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में आया था और GS3 इन्वायरमेंट सेक्शन के लिए रेलिवेंट है. सो द दिल्ली एयर इज मोस्ट पॉल्यूटेड it has been since 2020. According to the data maintained by the Central Pollution Control Board, the average air quality index in the city stands at 210 between October 1 and October 29, which is lower only than the 257 recorded in October 2020. So what is air pollution? It is the presence of substance in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings or cause damage to the climate or to materials. Crop burning, automobile, low rainfall और wind velocity are some of the sources of pollution. वहीं इसके consequence की बात करें तो large number of deaths, health issues, productivity loss are some of the consequences of air pollution. Steps like the National Clean Air Plan, which is NCAP, and the expansion of electric bus fleet are some of the recent steps taken to reduce air pollution. हमारा लास्ट टॉपिक इजिप्ट से रिलेटेड है. ये टॉपिक इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में आया था और GS2 इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन के लिए रेलिवेंट है। सो रिसेंटली इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर held a telephonic conversation with the Egyptian president over the ongoing military operations conducted by Israel in Gaza Strip. Both leaders discussed their shared concerns towards terrorism, violence, and loss of lives in the West Asia. If we talk about Egypt's importance in the Israel-Hamas war, so Egypt controls the Rafah crossing, which is the only official entry point into the Gaza Strip not controlled by Israel. And in the past, Egypt has opened and shut this crossing to put pressure on Hamas. So friends, ये आज के हमारे important headlines of the day थे. For more updates on current affairs, you can follow us on our social media platforms. Thank you.